So what we're doing, this is for the holes in the floor. So whenever you have windows that are broken like this, 9 times out of 10, the floor right underneath those windows are going to be messed up, okay? Water gets in there when it rains and it soaks the floor. You know, these floors are OSB. You see, this is OSB. You know, so OSB acts like a sponge, you know, it acts like a sponge. It absorbs water. It absorbs water very easily. So, you know, a lot of times that's what you're gonna be up against, you know. So that's what we're doing, is we're going around today and patching up all of our holes in the floors, and 9 times out of 10, under that same window where there's a hole in the floor, you're gonna have soft sheetrock, okay? Because the water comes in, runs down the sheetrock, soaks into that floor right there. So those are the repairs that we're doing today. So what we did is yesterday, we went through, checked all of the soft spots in the floors, and we marked them and we cut the holes. You see, broken window, hole in the floor, sheetrock. Okay, so we're coming back today, putting our plywood in, reinforcing these floors, and then we're gonna go from there, okay?